Well, the despair of losing their loved ones is slowly giving way to anger now. Families are demanding accountability. Who is responsible for 49 workers being killed at sea? And like Rahul was pointing out, this was so avoidable. The Congress party says this isn't a natural disaster. It is a man-made disaster and want the Union Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan to take moral responsibility for the same and resign.
As brave personnel of the Indian Navy race against time to search for and rescue over 20 people still missing at sea after barge B305 sank off the coast of Mumbai during Cyclone Tauktae, an intense blame game has started with the Congress and the NCP demanding the resignation of Union Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan.
The responsibility should be fixed. Definitely, it is a responsibility of the ONGC. Definitely, it is a responsibility of the Petroleum Ministry. Those officers responsible for this incident should be suspended and 304 IPC should be imposed on them.
At least 49 bodies have been fished out from the sea by the Indian Navy more than 4 days after the barge sank. Not just the relatives, but even the ruling Maha Vikas Aghadi is asking the ONGC and the Petroleum Minister to explain why the barge was out at sea despite 3 days advance warning about the cyclone and its intensity. There are several unanswered questions. Why was the barge not brought back to harbour? Who ignored the cyclone warning? ONGC or barge operators? Who was responsible for the crew being at sea in a cyclone? And did negligence lead to the deaths and those still missing? Afcons Infrastructure Limited, which had contracted the residential barge for its crew and workers, blamed the barge operators and the master for the tragedy, claiming on the 14th of May itself, vessels were advised to return to safer locations at the earliest. All vessels and barges, including P305, commenced moving out on the 14th and 15th of May. While other barges moved to Mumbai port and Anchorage, the master of P305 chose to move 200 meters away from the platform where the barge was working and to remain on location at sea. Afcons in a statement claims the weather conditions deteriorated rapidly from the evening of the 16th of May, leaving no time for the master of the vessel to take further action. Relatives of crew members on board also hit out at the paucity of life jackets and said life rafts were punctured, forcing many to jump into the sea in pitch darkness as their barge sank.
This one is purposely done, this one. I blame everybody, this one. आपको पता है वार्निंग है, आपको पता है साइक्लोन है, आपको पता है इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग साइक्लोन है, फिर आप क्यों रोके वेसल को?
Focus currently remains on rescuing those still missing, but the next big challenge will be to punish those responsible for the deaths of crew working on an offshore oil field in the avoidable sinking of barge B305 in Cyclone Tauktae.
With more dead bodies being recovered, Indian Navy along with Indian Coast Guard is on a mission to locate survivors. Meanwhile, Mumbai police have registered an ADR in this case. They are investigating that whether there was a negligence or a technical fault which caused this tragic incident. However, even in such incident, there is a blame game between the state government and central government has started. With camera person Samir Shanbag, this is Saurabh Vakhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Well, tragic